In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export, download, and view attachments in Salesforce. Whether you're managing data for a small business or an extensive organization, understanding how to efficiently handle attachments in Salesforce can be incredibly beneficial. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident navigating the setup environment and exporting your data effectively. Let's get started by heading over to the Salesforce homepage. This is your jumping-off point for accessing various Salesforce features, including data management tools. Take a moment to ensure you're on the correct page and ready to begin. Now, you'll want to look for the Quick Settings icon in your Salesforce interface, which is typically represented by a gear symbol in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu with several options. From here, you'll select Open Advanced Setup. This will bring up a more comprehensive setup landscape, where we can access a variety of administrative tools and functionalities. Next, navigate to the search bar within the Setup menu and type in the word Export. Using Salesforce's search functionality can significantly streamline the process, helping you find and access the tools you need quickly. When you see the Export option appear in the results, click on it. This will redirect you to the Data Export page, which is your gateway to exporting data and attachments housed within Salesforce. On this new page, you'll find the option to Export Now. Clicking this option initiates the data export process. The page you're on will also provide information about the exported data, making it easier for you to understand what types of files and data points are included in the export batch. This data can range from customer information to attachments linked to specific records. Once you've focused on the data you need, proceed by clicking Start Export. Salesforce will begin preparing your data for download. Depending on the volume of data being processed, this can take some time, so a little patience is required. Meanwhile, ensure that your internet connection remains stable to avoid any interruptions or failures during the export process. When the export process is complete, you'll be prompted with options to download the exported files. At this point, you can view and review the downloaded attachments at your convenience, knowing that you've secured a copy of all necessary Salesforce data. And there you have it, a straightforward method to export, download, and view attachments in Salesforce. With this knowledge, you can keep your Salesforce data organized and accessible, ensuring you and your team can leverage it effectively for your business needs. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a refresher. Happy data managing!